Hi, I'm Alex and I'm a student of the DCS Entrepreneurship program. When I decided to come to CIB, I already had in mind that I was going to open a business, and I also thought that DCS would give me the tools to handle this in real life. This is now even more realistic than before because I already started working on my project that I want to do here in Barcelona. So it feels like it's coming all together now. I've been in a lot of schools in my life, from high schools, universities, and different academic environments. So obviously I was expecting something like that, but it was a complete opposite. And it was amazing. Like the first month or so of CIB is so far one of the best experiences I had in my life. For the novelty, like to begin with, because everything was new and exciting, but was also because it was a change of paradigm for everything we are used to when it comes to academia. From what teaching means, from what professors are supposed to be like, or what we believe they are supposed to be like. So I expected to learn about numbers and marketing and brands and everything, which we did a lot of. But I think what surprised me the most was the humanistic side of the way we are taught every subject. Every teacher I met, every professional, every business owner, they were talking to us from this perspective, that it's all about the people, all about the creative experience. It was amazing to me. It was exactly what I was looking for. I think that the most important thing that these experiences gave me is the confidence that I am able to do it myself. Because you see, we saw every kind of business model, from small 10-table restaurants to restaurants that have like 500 people every day. It just gave me a lot of confidence. Being here and being in a multicultural environment showed me how important my culture is to me and where I come from. This was my main motivation for the project I'm working on, which is that I want to bring Romanian food to Barcelona, and I want to bring my home to Barcelona. I want to bring together these two cultures. I want it to be an experience for everybody who wants to try and share cultural and gastronomical experience, because Barcelona is a city that's very open to different gastronomy. What Eastern European food is lacking is a good marketing. So this is my job now.